Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a delivery driver account in the UK on Deliveroo. So first of all, you just have to open your Deliveroo rider application on your smartphone, or you can also open your web browser and then you can search for Deliveroo recruitment website. So when you are here on the website or either in the Deliveroo rider application, you are going to see this type of apply now button here on the home page itself. So over here you just have to scroll down a bit and it is going to show you that you need to sign up and download the application. Afterwards you need to upload your documents and then get ready to ride. So over here click on the option of start application. Now as soon as you do so, you just have to first of all log in into your account by providing your email address. So you need to provide your email address over here and then press next. Now on the next page, you just have to select the type of vehicle from the list, such as bicycle or electric bicycle, scooter or car. You will need to upload the document copies of the right to work documents, such as your passport or BRP. And if you are using a motor vehicle, your driving license and the CBT certification will be needed. Afterwards, you just have to complete the personalization of your profile by providing your bank account details for the weekly payments and selecting your preferred insurance options. Then describe how you want to finalize the process by submit your application for a background check. So once your documents are verified, your background check is clear, you will receive a notification to order your Deliveroo kit and you will see your account status change to active inside the application. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.